Hello viewers, welcome to Hajjady math class. Please, if this is the first time of watching our videos, kindly subscribe. And to our returning viewers, we say a very big thank you to you. Now today we'll be solving this question. We have 1 over 5th root of 6y minus 5 equals 0 factorial. Mathematically speaking, we know that 0 factorial is equivalent to what? 1. It is the same as 1. You can press your calculator to confirm that. So that shows this is taking the place of what? 1. So here we have 1 over the 5th root of 6y minus 5 equals 1. So the next thing we are doing here is to what? Cross multiply. This multiply this while this multiply this. So if this multiply this, we have the 5th root of 6y minus 5 to be equals to 1 times 1, we have 1. Now, the method of indices will be used there. And for us to do that, we are going to raise the power of both sides by what? 5. So we raise the power of both sides by what? 5. So raising the power of both sides by 5, so 5 can cancel the 5th root. I hope you know this in indices, okay? So here we have 6y minus 5. 1 raised to power anything is what? 1. So from here we have 6y equals 1. If minus 5 is coming to the right hand side, it turns to plus 5. So we have 6y equals 6. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is what? 6, which is what? 6. Finally, our y equals 1. Thank you, and please don't forget to share our videos. See you in next video. Subscribe.